Today, I'll show you how to add animation in Webflow, whether you're looking to add a simple fade-in effect or a more complex interaction. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Webflow is a powerful tool that allows you to create stunning websites with ease, and adding animations can bring your designs to life, making them more engaging and interactive for your users. First, let's head over to webflow.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in to your account. If you're new to Webflow, you might want to explore some of their tutorials and resources to familiarize yourself with the platform. Once logged in, you'll see the dashboard where all your sites are listed. Next, click on All Sites. This will display a list of all the websites you've created or have access to within Webflow. This view is particularly useful if you manage multiple projects, as it provides a centralized location to access each site. Now, select the site where you want to add an animation. Simply click on the site name and it will open the Webflow designer for that particular project. This is where all the magic happens, as you can visually design your website and add complex interactions without writing code. Once you're in the designer, click on the element you want to animate. This could be a button, an image, a text block, or any other element on your page. Selecting the right element is crucial because the animations will be applied specifically to this choice. With your element selected, look to the right side of the interface and click on Interactions. This is your gateway to creating dynamic animations and interactions. The Interactions panel allows you to define what happens when a user interacts with your site, such as hovering over an element or scrolling through a page. From the Interactions panel, you'll need to select a trigger. Triggers are events that will initiate your animation. For instance, you might choose a click trigger if you want the animation to start when a user clicks the element, or a hover trigger if the animation should begin when a user hovers over it. The choice of trigger will depend on the effect you want to achieve and how you want users to interact with your site. Once you've selected your trigger, it's time to select an action. Actions are the animations themselves. Webflow offers a variety of actions such as move, scale, rotate, and fade. You can choose a single action or combine multiple actions to create more complex animations. For example, you might want an element to fade in and then move slightly upwards to draw attention. After selecting your action, take some time to preview your animation. Webflow allows you to see the effects in real time, so you can adjust the timing, easing, and other parameters to get the perfect look. Don't forget to save your changes once you're satisfied with the animation. And there you have it. You've successfully added an animation to your Webflow site. By following these steps, you can create engaging, dynamic web experiences that will captivate your audience. Keep experimenting with different triggers and actions to explore the full potential of Webflow's animation capabilities.